Hi and welcome to this instruction video how to mount your new RJWC floorboards. So as you can see in the instructions, we start to pre-assemble off the vehicle. So what we will have though, there is the plate that's numbered 1, 2, 3, and also this side plate. We start with that. And you see how this plate, so this lip goes underneath the middle plate, and then you slide in this and secure it. Like that. I'm gonna fasten it better later. And then we take this plate, also the lip of plate 3 goes underneath plate 2. And then we secure it here on the side. Like this. And then lastly we take this side plate. The lips of the side plate goes underneath like this, and then we secure it. Secure it here also. We also can pre-mount this front bracket that goes here on the right side, and on the left side it's other brackets, but you can pre-assemble them in the same way before you put it on the vehicle. Yeah, and now we're going to take this pre-assembled and put it on the vehicle. The easiest way to do this is to angle it. No, wait, sorry. Before we put this pre-assembled on the vehicle, we're going to put this distance shims that goes here. And it can be a bit tricky to have them to stay in place while you put this on and secure with the screws. So I've got a pro tip for you. You got some blue tack. You can just put a little bit of blue tack, and this will just hold them in place while you mount them. It's of course possible without, but just makes life easier, like this. Just make sure you align them to the square holes, like that. And then we're ready to put on the pre-assembled floorboards. And you can put them a bit with an angle. Make sure to go underneath the braking pedal, like this. And here you need to align them to the original plastic. So this lip goes into this slot like this. And then you'll have to lift this screen a little bit to get it into these slots like this. And this. So that you get a nice fit here, like this. And now we can check if our distance shims have moved. They seem fine. So let's quickly secure these with these longer M6 screws. So the longer of the screws goes closer to the vehicle and the shorter ones further away. So we start with the longer ones. Like this. And also here in the front. Like this. And the shorter ones like this. So, and then you can loosely put the nut underneath so we don't lose these. Always dropping something. Like this. Great. What we do now is that we secure this plate that's numbered 1 to the plastic inside here through this hole that's in the plastic. So just like this, put a nut there. And this one you can tighten this truly now. But be a bit careful because it's plastic here so that you don't break the original plastic. Like this. Very good. What we do next is that we take plate number 4 and we slide this in place. So plate number 4, the lip of that goes underneath the plate number, this plate, and then also above this. So you slide it in like this. And also here you need to align the plastic into the slots on the floorboards. And we can put some screws here also. Like this. And loosely secure with the nuts. And then we take plate number 5, this little one, and that goes here. And here it's important that you put this lip behind this plate for the cool, sleek look. And 2 screws here. And here, this plate is adjustable up and down a little bit. So if you screw it fast a bit further down. Then when you screw the screw here, it pulls the plastic to the floorboard, so you can close this gap. So just elaborate a little bit with that. I'm gonna fasten this a bit down like this. So when we fasten the screw here, can change places. Oh, sorry. So when you fasten the screw here, like this, this will pull the plastic to the floorboard, like this. Great! So the next thing we're gonna do is to fasten the screws here. That goes into this metal plate that's on the original. And this one is quite weak, so it will often be bent on your vehicle. So you might have to like force this a little bit to make it line up with the holes here. This vehicle is kind of okay, so this will not be a big problem. Like this, and fasten it with. Like this. Then I see that we forgot one screw here. Now we can start to tighten all the screws that we just loosely fitted. So make sure that everything lines up. This is the moment when you can adjust a little bit to make it fit really snug against the original plastic. So we start with this. This one is nice and firm. Yeah, and lastly, we're gonna mount the screw inside here that holds this inner plastic screen. If you want to use that one, we included this bracket to hold that so it's not flopping around. So just one screw through here, and it will be nice and secure. Like this. Yeah, and then we can install these foot grips. So one foot grip goes here, and one foot grip for the passenger goes up here. And they're secured with two of the same screws as we used before, like this. So just loosely fasten these, and then you'll have the ability to adjust the angle on this one to your liking. I will have mine around here, and then you just fasten these ones. And also back here for the passenger. And then the last screw, where is it going? I can see now that it goes here. So this is just an extra precaution that holds together these two. So just fasten this one and we are done with the right side. Now you go on the left side and you do the same procedure. Only difference is there's other brackets. There's actually 3 brackets on the other side, as you can see in the instruction. So, good luck!